Class in session. Today we're going to be talking about the partial product method. The partial product method is a really good way to do some multiplication, and I think it does a good job of teaching place value. Let's get started. Let's say you had two numbers to multiply, and it's 2 by 2-digit multiplication. So I have the numbers 13 times 26. In the partial product method, you must line up the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So let's get started by first multiplying the first two numbers. We always start with the ones category, and then we multiply it to the tens category. So we do the first one like this, 3 times 6. Then we write our answers down underneath the hundreds, tens, and ones, lining them up carefully. The answer of 3 times 6 is 18. Now I'm going to multiply the 3 times the 2, but that's not a 2. It's in the tens column, so it's a 20. 3 times 20, well, 3 times 2 is 6, so 3 times 20 is 60. Now let's do this next number, 1 times 6, but that's not a 1, it's a 10 times 6, so that's also 60. Remember, guys, always keep lining up under your ones and tens and hundreds. And finally, let's do 1 times 2, but that's actually 10 times 20. So that's 1 times 2 is 2, but with 2 zeros on the end of it, because it's 10 times and 10 times as much again, that's 200. Now we sum it all up. So 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 6 is 13. Carry the 1, and that's 3. So 338 is the answer. So I'm Mr. Gill. Thanks for attending class today. Try out the partial product method yourself. It's a very easy way to break down a complicated problem one step at a time.